All right, today we bring a pack of 8 recessed lighting. If you guys can see that, we got the lights itself, they're LED lights, and we're going to talk about different modes on it. But you get a couple of accessories here, and you get a template, of course, the instructions how to connect it, because there's a couple of levels that you need to know about it first. All right, so let's take a look at the actual junction box first. Here are the actual different types of lumens that we have in here. It goes as high as 5,000, as low as 2,700. All right, and here you change it. Right now we're going to keep it to the highest, but we're going to change it while it's on too, so you guys can take a look at it and stuff. And the junction box is simple. They give you a couple connections in there. They give you the neutral, they give you the hot, and then they give you the actual ground. And look, they all come pre-wire ready, so you could actually just slip in your wire in there, and pretty much it locks in. These are actually I don't really use these that much. I use different ones, but this is handy that it comes all together. And once you punch a hole, of course you cover it up so your cable will get cut or anything. You put the plastics in there on the actual holes. I like this. This is a plus. This has never been included in any of the actual systems I actually purchase or have, and that's an actual plus, because this is very crucial to have, especially if you pull any cable through these. These are really sharp if you don't have anything protecting them. So 4 inches, so make sure you properly cut the hole. And like I said, they have a template here, all right, to use the template if you need to circle it and cut the hole. So let's go ahead and put one together. Right, this is the highest that we have right now. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna actually lower it down to the next one. That's one mode. Oh, that's another mode, that's another mode, and then we're gonna go back up. Different colors, if you guys can see, different modes from the lowest to the highest. So we're gonna set this up and see how it looks. All right, here we have it. It's perfectly light, it's flush, if you guys can see it. This is not adjustable, but this is the highest we have right now. I like the lighting itself. It actually reflects really good, and anything you put on it. So far, if you're gonna have multiple lights, make sure you do the wiring first. It's very necessary. So very simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.